Good morning, students. We have completed our science lesson 11th. A look inside the body up to page number 68. Today we are going to continue. So now open your environmental studies textbook, page number 68. Up to special places for internal organs we have completed. Now we are going to continue. The organs inside the body that perform certain important bodily functions need to be secure. The structure of our body is such that our internal organs can remain in their places no matter how much we move. There are hollow spaces for these organs inside the head and the torso. They are called cavities. The cavity inside the head is called the cranial cavity. Now see children, here in our body there are so many internal organs and they perform very important functions. Security of all these internal organs is very important. For that there are hollow spaces for these organs inside the head and the torso. They are called cavities, and today we are going to know about all these cavities. The cavity inside the head is called the cranial cavity. The cavity in the torso has three parts. The cavity in the chest is called the thoracic cavity. The cavity inside the abdomen has two parts. They are the abdominal cavity and the pelvic cavity. All the internal organs of the body are situated in these cavities. They are situated in such a way that they will not leave their places and move here and there. So today we have learned about all these cavities which are inside our body. Which are those? First one cranial cavity, second one thoracic cavity, third one abdominal cavity, and fourth one pelvic cavity. Now the esophagus. Can you tell? This man is filling the water from the tap into a drum. The drum is some distance away from the tap. Still, the water from the tap is flowing into the drum. Why is this so? Now children, you can see here in this picture, one man is filling drum through the pipe. The drum is away from the tap. Then also water from the tap is flowing into the drum. Why this happened? This happened because he has attached pipe to the tap, and through this pipe water is flowing and drum is filling with water. Correct, no children? Now see, the picture alongside shows two internal organs. If you have observed picture which is on the page number 69, esophagus, you can see there are two internal organs, the mouth and the stomach. These organs help in the digestion of food. The stomach is situated in the abdominal cavity. There is a tube in the thoracic cavity to transport food from the mouth to the stomach. It is called the esophagus or the gullet. We use our mouth to eat our food. The tongue tells us the taste of the food. We chew food with our teeth. As we chew it, our saliva mixes with the food. As a result, the food forms a moist ball. It is easy to swallow this soft ball. This food passes through the throat into the esophagus. The wall of the esophagus is flexible. This makes it possible to carry the food from the throat to the stomach easily. They have shown here a picture of esophagus. In this picture, you can easily see mouth, then esophagus and stomach. Whenever we eat food, the tongue tells us the taste of the food. We chew food with our teeth. As we chew it, our saliva mixes with the food. As a result, the food forms a moist ball which is easily swallowed by us. This food passes through the throat into the esophagus. The wall of the esophagus is flexible. This makes it possible to carry the food from the throat to the stomach easily. Today we are going to stop here. All of you are going to read the lesson carefully. Tomorrow we will continue.